In the grand tapestry of physics, few names stand as tall as Sir Isaac Newton. A 17th century thinker, Newton revolutionized our understanding of the world around us with his 3 laws of motion. These simple yet profound principles describe the relationship between a body and the forces acting upon it, and its motion in response to those forces. Newton's 3rd law, in its most basic form, asserts that for every action, there's an equivalent and opposing reaction. But what does this concretely imply? Imagine you're pushing against a wall. Your hands exert a force on the wall, yet the wall remains stationary. It's not due to the wall's stubbornness, but because it's pushing back with an equal force. This principle isn't confined to walls, however. Ponder on a bird soaring in the sky. As it flaps its wings, it pushes air downwards. In turn, the air thrusts the bird upwards, enabling it to fly. This exemplifies Newton's 3rd law in action. The force the bird exerts on the air and the force the air exerts on the bird are equal in magnitude, but opposite in direction. It's crucial to highlight that these action-reaction force pairs always act on different bodies. The action force of the bird flapping its wings acts on the air, while the reaction force of the air acts on the bird. They never cancel each other out because they're not acting on the same body. In essence, Newton's 3rd law is a foundational principle that governs the interactions between all objects. It dictates that forces come in pairs, an action and a reaction, that are equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Also remember that these forces always act on different bodies, hence they don't cancel each other out. This explains phenomena like why you don't sink through the floor underfoot, why AI can propel itself in outer space's vacuum, and even why you can navigate through water. Therefore, when you push a door open or observe a car accelerating down a road, bear in mind Newton's 3rd law. It's not just a principle of physics, it's a fundamental reality of our universe. Newton's 3rd law maintains our world as we know it in perfect equilibrium, and it's evidence that even in the presence of forces, there's always an equal and opposite reaction.